Hey love, so this is my bright, soft, pretty girl glam look that glows from every angle. This entire look was used with mostly powders. It's lightweight, flawless, and perfect for everyday wear or a full-on glam. Let's get started. My brows were done off camera to save some time. You guys already know how I do it. Starting off with my eye makeup is going to be very simple. I'm using P. Louise eyeshadow base in rumor number 5. You saw how much I apply. I like to apply this amount because I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my eyelids, so I'm fairly generous with the amount that I use. And I'm blending this product all over my eyelid from my eyebrows to literally my lash line. And for my eyeshadow palette choice, I am using an OD. Yes, I will forever use this Friendication palette for as long as I have eyeshadow. This is my ultimate favorite eyeshadow palette. I will never let this palette go. I wish they didn't discontinue it. So I will use it until the end. Next, applying eyeliner with Ico's eyeliner. This is another oldie. They discontinued this eyeliner. I actually really like this eyeliner as well. I know you're probably asking, girl, why you have so much discontinued makeup on this tutorial? It's because I like to buy stuff in bulk, okay? If I like something, I will buy a bunch of it, regardless if it's on sale or not. It's very hard for me to find products that actually work for me, so it makes sense for me to buy in bulk, really. Next, I'm going to prime my face with this watermelon hydrating primer. I love the smell of this primer, and what makes it even better is that it's actually good. So this is another favorite. As you can see, I used a pretty generous amount of this primer. I'm applying this primer everywhere that currently doesn't have makeup, so basically everywhere around my eyes, and it was the perfect amount. Now applying one of the stars of this show, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Matte Finish in white. They discontinued this concealer and it is very unfortunate. The whole camo line is good, whether it's the matte or the hydrating. This is good stuff, and it's very unfortunate that they actually stopped this specific shade for the line. I'm not sure what happened, but if somebody could get e.l.f. on the phone, be like, hey girl, bring this back, bring this back. I mean, there are other, good substitutions that I also have used in other videos, but this one happens to be the thickest with the best coverage that I've tried thus far. The quality is obviously there. 2 dots, did you just see how far 2 dots went? Like, I was able to spread the small amount that I applied onto other areas of my face. So yeah, can we go ahead and run this one back? Now I'm going to set the face with my usual setting powder. If I want my makeup to last a while, I will use this setting powder. This time I'm placing it outside of my T-zone. Sometimes I do apply it to my T-zone, but I don't want my skin to be too dry. And then of course my favorite foundation. I've been using this foundation for years and I will be devastated if they discontinued. So best believe I do have 5 bottles on deck. We don't play about this foundation, okay? It's very hard to find foundation for dark skin, and this foundation looks good on me in the winter and in the summer. Therefore, this foundation and myself are locked in for life, okay? She works amazing for me and she is a keeper. Next, one of my favorite setting powders. This is another one that I have in bulk. A lot of people sleep on this powder, and I'm very thankful that they have not yet discontinued it. Regardless, I have a whole bunch on deck, okay? She's a keeper. If you ever get a chance to try this setting powder, I definitely think you should. There's other brands that are very similar to this quality, but this is the one that has my heart. So I will be using this for as long as I can. Stick to what you know, right? Anyways, I'm applying this setting powder to my T-zone, so this is going to help brighten my face without actually using a yellow cream concealer or anything else outside of powder. The purpose of this video is just to use powders and the brightener by e.l.f., which is technically a concealer, but it's not your typical highlighting concealer that you would normally use. In this video, I wanted to share how I use a white base concealer or a brightener, or it could even be an illuminator, because there are brands who do sell that, and I'm just sharing how I would use those kind of products to create some of my makeup looks. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit and bake, let it cook while I will work on other areas of my face. Now applying this setting powder to set everywhere else that I didn't highlight. This setting powder is closest to my foundation shade. I'm placing this loose powder outside of my T-zone, so basically anywhere that I don't have the yellow loose powder. This is also going to set my foundation, and as you can see, it's already warming up my face. Now we are done baking, girl. Let's go ahead and dust off the yellow setting powder. Again, if you bake for too long, it could make you look a little bit dry. I have combination skin, so I don't want to let it sit for too long. Now using my ultimate favorite contour palette, Black Radiance, I start off by using the contour shade, then I will blend it out, and then I will go over that with the sculpt that will help smoothen out and even out that darker shade. The sculpt shade is the better, not so deep contour shade that I love to use the most for my different makeup looks. I'm basically using sculpt to contour my entire face, so my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, all of that. I spend a lot of time blending, so you definitely want all of the transitions to look good. And I really do not use a lot of product. A little product goes a long way. You don't want to use too much contour anyway, at least I don't, because it's going to look too dark and muddy. And then again, using that sculpt shade to contour my nose. Honestly, this shade goes perfectly with the banana powder that I used earlier. Like these two together, chef's kiss. And it really helps warm up my face. Using the sculpt contour is help basically reshape my nose. I'm making it slimmer, I'm making it perky. You know, I'm making it how I like it. It's how I feel suits my face the best. This Black Radiance contour palette and the banana powder elevates my makeup look. These are my must-have products. Now going back with the banana powder to help make that nose contour be crisp, okay? You'll see me going back and forth to get those lines very precise. I like to make my nose look like a little button. It took me forever to perfect my nose contour. Like my nose in my pictures and my makeup always looks snatched, okay? And that did not happen overnight. Best believe it took some hard work, patience, learning, and time, okay? And now we are here. Success. Moving on to my ultimate favorite blush. This is the only blush that I've ever tried that actually looked good on me. No matter what makeup look that I have, it always look good. So yes, I do have a bunch of them on deck, on standby. So when Ulta has their sale, best believe I stack up. Next, going back to that Black Radiance contour palette using the highlight shade. I started off with this, but it wasn't giving. So now going to my ultimate favorite highlighter by Laura Geller in New York. This color, beautiful, beautiful on brown skin. It's like the perfect shade of gold and it's blinding. So, you know, we fell in love at first application and had to buy as many as my heart desired. You already know, if my shimmer is not blinding, I do not want it. Now to set my face with my ultimate favorite setting spray. I had no idea when Estee Lauder was having a sale for this product that it was a discontinuing sale. So I am very thankful that I bought a bunch of this setting spray because this is the only setting spray that I found will help dry makeup looks that have a lot of powder. This is the only setting spray that brought that makeup to life. It made my makeup juicy, okay? It made me look a whole lot less dry. I have 2 bottles left and I have to ration it across makeup looks. Isn't that crazy? We need to run this one back too, okay? To wrap up this look, I'm going to line my lips with my ultimate favorite lip liner by LA Girl. I know I've said this a million times, but yes, I have a bunch of these, but they have not discontinued this one. This lip liner is the perfect brown color for any look. It applies so flawlessly and seamlessly, just amazing. And then this beautiful liquid satin lip stain that I got from Sephora. This is a beautiful red and it looks amazing with the LA Girl lip liner. This entire line from Sephora is beautiful. Now eyelining my eyes. This product from Ulta Beauty is another favorite. Yes, I have many of this pencil. It's hassle free, like you really can't beat that. And then applying mascara. This is the final step to complete this makeup look. It's very simple, right? I lined my eyes and I applied eyelashes, and then I applied my foundation. I set my foundation. I used a bunch of powders to help highlight and contour my face to bring the color back to my face with only powders. And of course a brightener. We won't forget about that. But that's pretty much it for this look. She's a doll. This look is bright and soft, and I only use this amount of makeup if I want to do something quickly. It really didn't take any time for me to complete this look. It was very simple. So you can definitely recreate this look with any of your favorite products, since everything I just about shared is discontinued. No shade, but it's possible. And if you need help with trying to find similar products to recreate this look, definitely drop a comment and your girl got you. I got you, okay? So if you love this baby doll pretty girl look, don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments as well, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!